This is lesson 60, finding a fraction to complete a whole. So we're going to use that idea that anything over itself is the same thing as 1. 2 over 2 or 2 halves is 1. 3/3 is 1. 4/4 is 1, and so on. So this question asks, 1/3 of the students are girls. What fraction are boys? So in this word problem, I have my drawing, and I'm going to break it into how many parts. So remember, if I write this, 1/3 are girls. So remember, I'm going to break my little box or my whole thing into however many parts the denominator is. So I'm going to break that into 3 parts, and there's the girls. Write that out because my handwriting's so bad. The rest are boys. So if 1/3 are girls, then 2/3 are boys. So let's go ahead and color that in a little bit. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Example 1 says, Tay found out that commercials make up 1/6 of airtime. What fraction is not commercials? So y'all probably don't even watch commercials anymore. I know my daughter and my granddaughter, who's 7, they went on vacation long ago. So Lucy, the granddaughter, sees commercials at my house some. So they were driving in Orlando, and she was freaking out. She told her mom, Mom, Dad, look. She had seen commercials for rooms to go, but she didn't know it was a real place because she didn't know that that's what commercials do, is advertise real places. So she was flipping out the fact that there was really a real rooms to go. I don't know. We were all laughing at her. Okay, so anyway, Tay found out that commercials make up 1/6 of airtime. Okay, so let's draw. I like to use these lines on the paper. And how many little sections am I going to break it into? 6. Remember, because that's my denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And I know that 1/6 is commercials. So how much is the real show? So what's left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I know 6/6 is the whole hour of TV or whatever it is, right? So if 1/6 are commercials, then the rest of it's 5/6, because I know it has to add up to 6/6. All right, example 2. In the science fair project, Nelson found that 6/7 of the mass of an apple is water. Wow, that's a big percent, isn't it? Which diagram below matches this information? So 6/7. So I need 6 out of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I use my lines again. So that's 6 out of 7. That's 6 out of 7. That's 5 out of 7 and 7 out of 7. So it can't be 7 out of 7. Can't be 5 out of 7. It has to be 6 out of 7. Well, it could be either one of those, couldn't it? However, right over here, I labeled the blue water. So it says 6 out of 7 parts of an apple is water. So this is 6 out of the 7 water. So I know it has to be A, right? So be careful if you're drawing this, because it could have been that one if I hadn't labeled that blue. Now they labeled it with words, but I didn't want to write that many words. So I just made myself a little legend and thought I'd tell you about it. Remember that you're breaking your whole into 7 equal sections because that's the denominator. Your fraction indicates that you've taken or you're claiming or you're talking about the numerator. So in this case, 6 out of 7. Okay, good luck.